Welcome back, guys. Crypto4Life channel. Today I would like to show you not some specific altcoin. Today I would like to analyze the total 2 chart. Let's dive in. If you didn't know what is total 2, this is a chart of total capitalization, all altcoins, excluded Bitcoin and the stable coins. So basically, all money, what you see now in altcoins, all in all sectors, even the meme coins, is this chart. The total market cap, so total one, it's 2.5 trillion market cap. Total capitalization, all crypto space, all coins. And take a look, the market cap, only the Bitcoin, 1.3 trillion. So basically the Bitcoin is over than 50% of total capitalization of all crypto coins. Got it. That's why the money mostly now inside a Bitcoin. It's really, really important to understand what's going on and why the altcoins still underwater, still not pump it. Of course, some of them pump it because I already a million times explained, we can't to see the pump on all altcoins in every sector in the same time. The money just the inflow, outflow, outflow, inflow. So this is how it works. That's why maybe one day we will see when the whales will start fix the profit from Bitcoin and start inflow the profit into altcoins, but maybe not. Why it can happen? Maybe the whales just withdraw money from the Bitcoin and they just stay in stable coins. So that's can be the big problem, for us who invested in altcoins. So let's be honest. For Bitcoin, absolutely everything okay. We breaking out the all-time high. On the futures on the Binance, the price was 70K330. This one. On spot on a Bitstamp, the highest point was let me show you 60. On a Bitstamp, the highest point was 70K184. So I showed you this two FIB. So this one on correction, this one we tested 27 block and one more example and confirmation. This more works. We pump it, beat previous all-time high. Yes. Next step is 95,900. Based on this model on an uptrend FIB, this one from the COVID dump impulse. Correction to 78 level by FIB. Now we're breaking out, and the next step is going to be 81 and 86,900. So at this block, yes, maybe we'll see the reaction. But of course, we can even move higher, because I showed you the chart of Nvidia. So now it's like a consensus. So no, we have to drop it down. No, basically we don't have to. How long we can be at this price, or how low we can drop? We can drop even to 53K. So it's more than okay. What will be at that time with altcoins? I already explained it you. We can't know where the money and the profit from the Bitcoin inflow into stable coins, or they want to push the price on altcoins. So that's why we have to pay attention also on a Bitcoin dominance. But take a look to your information here. For example, we are around the all-time high. So this is the daily time frame. Test of all-time high was on Tuesday. Got it. Let's go to this chart and go to daily time frame. I would like to show you how long we stay at the test of all-time high previously. So this was all-time high. This was a test. So last time we tested one from November 13, we traded here till breaking out this wall candle till December 16. Basically half months at this point. So yes, maybe we will stay all March exactly till the rate decision. We will see. The correction, of course, can be even to 53K. Why not? Of course, it's possible. So let's take a look on a Bitcoin dominance. This is a chart what basically I don't like, because of course mostly of us are invested in altcoins. We want to see the 5x, 10x, 20x in our investments, but market doesn't own nothing. So the last point what I'm expecting for Bitcoin dominance is 57 or 62. This range, personally for me, it's the last point. If something happened in the world, the money can inflow only in the Bitcoin, and the Bitcoin dominance can be even over than 73. based it on a technical analysis, but I hope not, because the logical explanation, that time in December 20, we got less altcoins and a less project than we got now. So you have to understand the money, not enough liquidity, and some money, some liquidity, yes, stock in or freeze in some altcoin. Like Aptos, we got a lot of great projects, in some ecosystem like Solana. Imagine how much money now in the Sol ecosystem. That's why it will be more than okay to see the consolidation here and correction down. So this block, I mark it, it's between 44 and 29. This is going to be the zone where it's more than okay. Not more than okay. It will be the time to out of altcoin. All altcoins, basically. So you can out a step by step, or we can trade in this block in January 18, June 18. So we can trade like this one and trade some time period here. In this case, we can see some crazy gains on alts, in one day, 100%, 200%. So this is going to be the madness, but it's going to be the time to out and fix your profit from all altcoins, basically. Now let's go back to total 2 chart, and I would like to check with my customer care side. Of course, even this chart, we will take a look how the whales playing out with us and what they do with altcoins in general. So this was a time period for accumulation. So basically this chart remind me the link chart and many others. Take a look. Let's see, Coinbase. Yes. Basically, this is just a copy paste model. Absolutely. This is a consolidation over than 525 days, but we consolidated here 520 days. So basically just a copy paste model, So we need to breaking out this high. So this is a high of March 2022. Let's mark this like a first block. And of course, when we pump higher, some ecosystem like Sol, like Polkadot, like Ethereum, and Ethereum especially, can continue rally higher. So money can outflow from the Bitcoin to Ethereum. So this is going to be the target where mostly we can see the continuation of altcoin season, because now, like you can see, only the meme coins pump it, right? So this is how it looks like. And this is like a first trigger. Next trigger is going to be the new all-time high for capitalization. How big can be the capitalization of altcoins? This cycle is hard to say. So basically, if we use the fee, for example, from the, like on a Bitcoin, from the COVID dump to the top, so the next step, it's 2 trillion round number, and minus 0.61 low by fee, it's 2.7, around 3 trillion. But I think the market capitalization of altcoins will be much bigger than 3 trillions. Let's take a look on indicator side what's going on now on a weekly time frame and on a monthly time frame. On weekly time frame, you can find out here. It was accumulation. So mostly altcoins accumulated in summer 2022. Then this period, September, autumn 2023. So some altcoins are already here, like FAT and Injective, but many still underrated, still underwater. So now we, yes, at the top, but this is not a madness like this one, and no divergency. Got it. Monthly time frame here. Here's how the divergency can be. We can form the next all-time high on capitalization, but imagine the yearly divergency. Take a look. This is a top, June 17. This is April 2021, end of bull run, not in November. And this is this cycle. And we can touch that top, but forming the huge divergency, and the top can be around, I don't know, 3-4 trillion. So this is how it works. And pure double bottom on direction on the monthly time frame, and on direction on alts. This was accumulation, this was accumulation, this was a time to out. Out, all this period distribution. What I don't like, we was only here in December, January in money accumulation based on a direction. So that's kind of weird, right? Of course, we can drop even now from this current price, for example, like this one. Yes, everything can happen. You just take an action or not. But I think yes, we will see the continuation. Market mood, money power. Let's take a look on the sentiment. Yes, it's kind of weird, but money outflow step by step from some major altcoins. The money outflow. So the money inflow was here. May 2022 and December 2022, and depression zone for accumulation. Now, even total 2, we are in aphasia zone. But take a look, the aphasia last time was from, let's say, June 2020 till May 2021. So maybe it's going to be the same, October 2023 till, I don't know, maybe October, November 2024. We will see. And the monthly time frame, I guess we are in no trill, no aphasia zone. Interesting, right? So this was a madness here from December 2020 till November 2021. Now no aphasia on a monthly, but yes, here how the whales fix profit from altcoins. Yes, it's really interesting to analyze the charts even like this one, so you understand what the whales do even with altcoins in general. Based on trade on. Let's delete this one. Here was the last signal to sell, money back. So close all your shorts, accumulate altcoins. Here's a 2 signal to buy was on for altcoins. When almost all coins lay down on the bottom, we got a signal to take profit. So guys, all data with my custom maker set for total 2 I showed you. If you would like to trade with my custom maker set what I showed you in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.